Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I Jabin Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will see how the mobile wallet is opening. That means you have already seen wallet in application like PhonePe, Paytm, Google Pay. So how does this wallet is open on their application? Because it is almost like your banking system, because you have to um, or you have to pay first of all in wallet, and then after you can do transaction for whatever you want to do, right? So let us see how this is, what is the process for opening this mobile wallet. Through PwC ongoing consumer intelligence series, we gain directional insight on consumer attitudes and behaviors in the rapidly changing media and technology landscape. So, first we have a company like PwC, how it realize how important wallet is. So it collects some data and then start their own e-wallet. So key finding of opening e-wallet is consumer awareness of key mobile wallet application is relatively high, though significantly fewer people are using them. PayPal leads the pack with the 100% added awareness and 83% usage, which is fairly uh, evenly represented across age groups, skewing younger for usage and phone operating system. Although there may have been some confusion in offering between PayPal and PayPal Mobile, some consumers were unable to differentiate between the online and mobile version of the service. That's like Google Wallet and Starbucks mobile application are tied for a distant second. Google's wallet awareness is fairly even across age group and driven primarily by Google Android operating system. User is your 66%. Most likely to use mobile wallet to present of total respondent is like transfer money to another individual is 45%. Pay for physical goods and service in a store with the electronically stored credit debit card is 53%. So this is some data how wallet play an important role in this era. So actually swapping of card is not as comfortable than e-wallet using. So e-wallet, mobile e-wallet is used for convenience of customer and for as well as business. So replacing insurance card, it also replace the card swapping. So it also helps for customer if they do not carry cash, and it can help in every situation if you forget their physical wallet, and if you have a smartphone you can easily uh, transact the money through the e-wallet, right? So this is all about this session. I hope you are able to understand what is the e-wallet and how does it works, and how it is important in this technical era. So thank you class, this is all about this session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you class.